This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Gorgeous new construction home in the established Hillpoint community. Great floor plan including separate dining/flex room, open kitchen and den, first floor study, plus loft. You'll love the spacious bedrooms and closet space. Granite counters in the kitchen and bathrooms. LVP flooring downstairs. Designer touches included. 2-car rear entry garage. Open green space behind the homes, no rear neighbors. Home is under construction with spring 25 completion. January 2, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Carla Walker at 757-652-1414.